Hey guys, Heather here, and in this video I am going to share with you a couple of exercises that I used to do independently, but post COVID-19 I have found that these are really working well for me combined, and I wanted to share that with you. So the first part of the practice is for kind of correcting or unslouching that computer slouch. When we spend so much time in front of the computer, our body tends to kind of bend forward, and if you try to take a breath in that position, you really can't fill up. And what's so important during this time when we're trying to be healthy and be calm and release anxiety and fear is that we can take a nice, deep, full, and complete breath. And you can do that much better when you're not slouched over. So the first part, I'm going to be sharing an exercise with you that even my kids love to do, and they do it on their own without me asking. So that's how you know, that's how you know it works, right? When the kids do it without you asking. And then I'm going to combine that with ho-o-pono-pono. If you don't know about ho-o-pono-pono, I cannot wait to share this practice with you. It's a Hawaiian technique that is based on reconciliation of relationships. So think of it this way. In this short video, we're going to restore your posture and we're going to restore your relationships. So whether you're in a household packed full of people and you're all starting to get on each other's nerves, or you're home alone and maybe there's some tension with colleagues or people you haven't been able to see face to face, I really think you're going to enjoy this. Now, I love to do this practice with a big exercise ball. If you don't have one, that's not a problem. I'm going to show you how to do this either standing or seated. And if you want to use the floor and lie down for part of the practice, you'll just need a folded blanket or beach towel. So let's get started. Whether you're standing or seated or on the ball, you're going to want your feet about hip width apart. And I want you to imagine that you've just dipped your feet into some paint and you're going to start rocking and really trying to make a full and complete footprint. So you're really pressing your feet into the ground, going at whatever pace feels good for you, and hanging out in areas where you may want to hang out. Like maybe it feels really good for you to be up on your tippy toes, or it feels really nice when you're back here at your heels. Go ahead and listen to your body, do whatever feels good to you. You may not be surprised to find out that rocking is a ventral vagal toning exercise. So think about it. This is what we do when kids are upset and we can't rationalize with them, right? We intuitively rock them. And so this motion is calming your nervous system. It's bringing that ventral vagal circuit online. Now, you continue rocking, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the next step that we're going to do, which is ho-o-pono-pono. This is a Hawaiian prayer that consists of 4 phrases, and you can say these phrases in any order. You're going to pause after each phrase and wait to feel a shift in energy or to get an answer. Maybe there's something going on with this relationship or this situation where as you're doing this prayer, you're going to get some ideas about how to best manage it. All right, so if you're on the ball, keep on rocking, all right? If you're standing or seated, to get into this heart opening pose, you're simply going to hold your hand, if that's comfortable, or hold your elbows. So what we're looking for is just this feeling of an opening in the chest. So whatever feels good to you. Now, if you want to take this down to the floor, this feels really great. You're going to take your blanket, beach towel, or maybe even a pillow from your couch with your knees bent. You're going to lower yourself down onto your elbows, and you want that blanket right around if you were wearing a sports bra or bra where that bra strap hits, and then you're going to lower yourself down and put your arms either in a T or a cactus or a goalpost position, whichever feels comfortable for you. Now, depending on what your body's doing, you may want to lower one leg and then the other, or you may want to leave your knees up. So again, whatever feels most comfortable for you. Now, if you're on the ball, you're going to want to start to walk your feet forward until you're in a squatting position. So get in a position where your knees are over your ankles, and then you're going to lift your arms up as you lean your head back. And for some of you, this may be enough of a stretch, and you can just stay here. You might want to cactus your arms open or bring them into a goalpost shape. If you like more of a stretch, you can simply press your heels into the floor and bring yourself up like this. Now collectively, let's everyone take a nice deep breath in through the nose and then out through the mouth, HA. And you're going to repeat after me. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. Let's do that again. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let's take a nice deep breath. Let it go. If you're on the ball, you're going to clasp your hands behind your head so you're supporting your neck as you roll forward and then come back up to seated. Now if you're lying on the ground, your right arm will reach up back behind you and you'll press that left foot into the ground so you can come rolling over to your side and gently push yourself up to seated. So there you have it. 2 exercises that will restore your posture and your relationships. Again, if ho-o-pono-pono is new to you, please see more details that I've posted below this video. Thanks so much for watching and stay well.